Hey friend, welcome back to Hypothyroid Chef. I'm Ginny Mahar, your thyroid health and cooking coach and author of the Thyroid 30 Cookbook. Today we're making a cozy anti-inflammatory turmeric hot chocolate that's one of my favorite afternoon pick-me-ups, especially during the colder months. It's comforting, a lot like hot cocoa, but it gives you a really nice warm body buzz from the anti-inflammatory and mood-boosting magic of turmeric and cacao. And it only takes about 2 minutes to make, so let's dig in. All right, this is one of my favorites when I want something warm and energizing, but without a ton of caffeine or sugar. It feels indulgent, but it has a lot of thyroid-friendly benefits. So here's what's in it. Cacao. This contains so many antioxidants and minerals that can be hard to find elsewhere. Plus, it's got a lot of those feel-good endorphins. Now with cacao, it does contain a small amount of naturally occurring caffeine. So I don't really recommend this one too close to bedtime, but you can also substitute carob for a totally caffeine-free version. Turmeric really helps reduce inflammation. It also supports gut health, brain health, and mood. I really like these electric turmeric packets from Pique, but you can just use regular turmeric too. I also like to add a few shakes of cinnamon. This helps add a little bit of sugar-free sweetness, extra antioxidants, and it's also going to help support a healthy blood sugar balance. We'll add a few drops of vanilla to just add some flavor and aroma and a little bit more sugar-free sweetness. And then a spoonful of honey for just a touch of natural sweetness, and then some collagen peptides to give us a little bit of protein and some extra support for skin, hair, nails, joints, and gut health. I'll also add a splash of coconut milk to give us some healthy fats and some creaminess, and then to mix it, I recommend a handheld frother. You can also use a whisk or a fork or something like that, but you'll have an easier time with something like this, getting all those different powders and things blended together. Okay, so into your mug, you're gonna add the cacao powder. Do about a tablespoon per like medium to large mug. And we'll add our turmeric. For these packets, about 1 per mug is great, but if you're using regular turmeric, you can just do like a half a teaspoon or up to a teaspoon if you want to go a little bit heavier on the anti-inflammatory benefits of the turmeric. We'll add a few shakes of cinnamon, about a tablespoon or 1 small scoop of our collagen peptides. And then for vanilla, we'll do just a little bit, maybe about a 1/4 teaspoon, and our honey. So here you can go anywhere from 1 to 3 teaspoons, depending on how sweet you want it. All the ingredients in here are going to add some natural sweetness on their own, especially the cacao, the ground cacao beans, the cinnamon, the vanilla, even the coconut milk. All those things will add a little bit of sweetener. So that's one thing I like about this, is you don't have to add a lot of sugar like there typically is in regular hot chocolate. Then we'll add, probably 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut milk just to give this a little bit of creaminess. And then we'll fill the mug about halfway with hot water. You don't want to fill the mug all the way, especially if you're using a handheld frother like this, because it will spill over the sides. So I always start with about a half full mug. And then we'll just give that a nice mix. All right, you can see how nice and frothy that is. And then we'll just top it off with the rest of our hot water. And that's really all there is to it. You can add a little bit of extra honey if you like to sweeten it up, but you can really whip up a cup of this turmeric hot cocoa in minutes anytime you want. So let's give it a taste. That is just right. I love the cinnamon in there. It complements the turmeric so nice, and the cacao. It all just goes so well together. I really find this blend uplifting with just the right amount of sweetness, and it gives me this kind of instant mood and energy boost without any of the jitters of coffee and with way less sugar than your regular cup of hot cocoa. I really love recipes like this where not only does it taste good, but I know I'm doing something good for my body with all the ingredients in this anti-inflammatory thyroid-friendly treat. You can find the full recipe for this turmeric hot cocoa in the video description below. And if you're looking for more easy, delicious, thyroid-friendly recipes like this one, you can find over 100 of them inside my Thyroid 30 cookbook. It is packed with my best gluten-free, dairy-free, anti-inflammatory recipes, along with my proven Thyroid 30 system to help you restore your energy and thrive. So you can scan the QR code on the screen to order your copy today, or click the link in the video description. All right, friend, thanks for cooking with me today. Stay warm, take good care of yourself, and I'll see you next time.